welcome to Epic Academy STEM Edition. My name is Julia, and today we are going to be doing an activity called Marshmallow Geometry. So what you're going to need are 2 markers or pens that are different colors, a sheet of paper, a handful of mini marshmallows, and a handful of pretzel sticks. Now, if you can't find pretzel sticks that are thin enough, you can always use wooden toothpicks. So first things first, can you name the shapes I have drawn on my paper here? That's right, so I have a triangle, a square, and a rectangle. So you can actually go ahead and draw these 3 shapes on your paper. And then do you know what each line that makes up these shapes are called? That's right, they're called sides. Now, when 2 sides come together in a shape and make a point, it's called a vertex. And the plural word for vertex is vertices. So next, we're going to go ahead and count the number of sides in each of our shapes. So the triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. And then we're going to go ahead and count the number of points in our shape. So there's 1, 2, 3 vertices or points. So next we have our square. So can you count with me the number of sides we have in our square? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then can you count with me the number of vertices that we have in our shape? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job. Now the last shape that we have is a rectangle. So can you count with me the number of sides we have in our rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number of vertices are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job, guys. So what you're going to do next is take your different colored pen or marker, and you're going to do a dot over each of the points in each shape that we just talked about. So I can go ahead and show you what that looks like when I'm all finished up. Alright, so when you're done, it should look like this. And then as we talked about, the triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices, so you can go ahead and write that on the side of your paper. The square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Go ahead and write that on the side of your paper. And then same with the rectangle, 4 sides and 4 vertices. Alright, now comes the fun part. So before working with your mini marshmallows and pretzels, if you plan on eating these after your activity, please make sure to wash your hands. We want to make sure our hands are as clean as possible and have no germs on them when we're touching our food and when we eat it. So for the triangle, we'll start off with, we said the triangle has 3 sides. Now our pretzel sticks or our toothpicks are going to represent the sides in our shapes. And then the mini marshmallows that we have are going to represent our vertices. So in a triangle, we said we had 3 sides. So we're going to take 3 pretzel sticks or toothpicks. And then we said it had 3 vertices. So we're going to take 3 mini marshmallows. And then you're going to go ahead, take your pretzel or your toothpick. You're going to go ahead, poke it in there, make sure it's stable enough. And go ahead and do that with the other pretzel. So it looks like that. So here's our point and then our 2 sides. And then you're going to go ahead and take a marshmallow and put it on each side of here. And then take one more pretzel and connect all 3 sides. So when you are all done, it should look like this. There you go. So we have our triangle. There's 1, 2, 3 sides and our 1, 2, 3 vertices. Good job. Next, we're going to make our square. So we said a square has 4 sides. And how many vertices does a square have? That's right, 4. So you're going to take 4 mini marshmallows and 4 pretzel sticks or toothpicks. And you're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Just start poking your toothpick or pretzel into the sides of the marshmallow to make sure they connect. Ooh, mine broke. Let me grab another one. broke another one. All right, so there is our square. So as we said, it has 4 sides, which are the pretzel sticks or toothpicks, and then 4 vertices, which are the mini marshmallows. Now, a square has what is called perpendicular and parallel lines. So the parallel lines are the top side and the bottom side, and these are parallel because they never touch. And then they also have perpendicular sides, which would be the top and then the left side. And these are perpendicular because they make a 90-degree angle because they touch. So these have parallel and perpendicular lines, but if we want to know a shape that is called or has only parallel lines, we can go ahead and just move our sides a little bit to the side so it looks like that, and that shape is actually called a parallelogram. So a parallelogram has all parallel sides, and it kind of looks like a sideways diamond, doesn't it? All right, good job, guys. So our final shape that we're making today is a rectangle. So for a rectangle, we said it has 4 sides. And if you notice, what is the difference between the square and the rectangle? That's right, 2 of its sides are shorter than the other 2. So its left and its right sides are shorter than the top and the bottom. So we're going to actually take 1 pretzel stick and we're going to split it in half to make them shorter. And then we'll take 2 full-size pretzels. And then we will take 4 mini marshmallows to connect each side. And you can go ahead and start connecting them to make it look like the rectangle. Okay, my one side's a little bit longer. I'm gonna shorten it. All right, and there's our final shape, a rectangle, 4 sides and 4 vertices. All right, good job, guys. I hope you enjoyed this activity today. If you wanted to check out any more STEM activities, make sure to look at our website at epicforchildren.org, and I hope you guys have a great day.